On a le gant de golf, les gants de pluie, si Dame Nature ne vous fait pas peur et ses intempéries. Mais question de base, comment s'assurer que le gant est bien ajusté?
Bien, tout d'abord, faut vraiment sentir que le gant va être comme une deuxième peau. Fait que, premièrement, quand on le rentre, il ne faut pas que ça soit trop serré ni lousse. On ferme le velcro facilement, pas un espace, et on s'en va vers la pomme. Il faut vraiment pas que, quand on arrive à lever le gant en tant que tel.
Sinon, il y en a trop, sinon le gant est trop lousse.
En plein ça. Et aussi, les doigts, il ne faut pas que ça dépasse. Ça, c'est premièrement pour voir si le gant en tant que tel, il fit bien. Il faut toujours se dire que le cuir, un très bon gant de cuir, va toujours s'élargir avec le temps un peu plus.
Il y a une certaine élasticité.
Oui,
là. On va maintenant écouter DJ Zabcar de chez FootJoy qui va nous expliquer la nouvelle génération du gant Cyflex 2025. On l'écoute.
When you think back when Cyflex came out almost 20 years ago, it was all about the science of comfort. So we went back to the drawing board and said, hey, listen, we already have the best-in-class materials, starting with the premium Cabrera leather palm. But then we wanted to look at the back of hand and say, how can we give discerning golfers all over the world a glove that's going to give them ultimate comfortability through flexibility and breathability? So what we did was we looked at the back of hand first and foremost and said, hey, listen, how can we get something that shows the golfer, hey, flexibility and breathability is a great thing. So we have targeted mesh across the back of the hand that helps the flex. And we have a vented material that goes from the back of the hand up to the pinky and ring finger. So all the components of the glove work in an orchestra together to give golfers an unmatched comfort through, as I said, breathability and flexibility. And also what's brand new is we have an ultra low profile hook and loop system for the closure. So if you think about those old car commercials or ads where they would shoot the wind to test the aerodynamics of a car, that was the inspiration around this low profile hook and loop. So we want golfers to feel fast, we want them to perform their best, and this glove is the perfect glove for golfers that are looking for that.
Donc, une version Cyflex 2025 beaucoup plus légère.